So today we're going to learn how to make a simple rocket in Tinkercad. So for that, first you have to take a cylinder in your work plane. I'm taking a cylinder in my work plane and placing in the middle of the work plane. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the height of the cylinder. So let's see, here is 20 mm. I'm going to make it 60 mm. After making the 60 mm, you can see the size of height of this one got changed. And what I will do, I will change the sides till 64. Then bevel I'll use 0.2, okay, and segment I will change the segment till 10. Okay, so let's see. Now let's see if I'm changing the B level more little much. Is it you see that it turning the edge little smoother, you see that. Let me zoom. Okay, so it is little flat now, it's okay, good. Now what I will do, I will take a cone, and I'm bringing in my work plane. I will place here. Then I'm going to take a box, this box, okay, not the colorful, it's a gray color box. You have to take that one, okay, and bring here, okay, and keep like that. And what you do, select all by holding your left mouse button and select all, then click align. You see that this align option, and after that you have to press this front middle black spot, the left middle black spot. Now what you do, click outside, then click on the cone, not cone, sorry, on the cube, okay, box, you can say box, and bring it up little, like 5 or 7 mm up. Okay, let me see how much mm I went up. 6, okay, 1 mm, 1, yeah, 7 mm I'm up now. So now what I will do, I'll again select all by holding my left mouse button, and I'm going to group it here. After grouping it, you can see it slices the cone top, okay. Now what I will do, you see, you know that this ones have a height of 60, so I will make this one go up 60 like that, okay, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Now what I will do, I'll bring both closer by pressing my keyboard arrow key, left arrow, right arrow. You can make it like bringing like that, and you can arrange like that. Now what do you do, select all, okay, click align, click the middle one, click the left middle one. Now zoom out, okay, now see that, okay. Now what you do, take a this called paraboloid, okay, paraboloid. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to place in the work plane here. After that what I will do, I will change the height of this one to 30, okay, and I'll make this size of this one 10 and 10 here, both side 10, 10, okay. Now you know that this one is 60 and this one is 7, so we have to take this one up 67. So I will make it little go up and I will type 67 here, okay. If I press, then I will use my arrow key and I will bring that all those here, okay. Now what I will do, I will select all by holding my left mouse. Again I will select all, click align, then middle black spot, the left black spot. Now you see that it get aligned, okay. So now what I will do next, I'll take a here, I will go down and I look for a roof, and I'm going to bring the roof in the work plane here simply, and I'll place that. Now you see the left side, I will click here in the white color box, and left side you see the 20 na? I will change this one to 5 and I will press enter. Now what I will do, I will click again, and you see this two face arrow, I'll hold it and rotate it. Okay, let me rotate once again. Let 135. You have to bring it closer to that. You have to click on this. Okay, now bring it little here in front, then here. Okay, then here, and press D button. Okay, now you see that it will look like this here. Okay, so it is not properly rotated. Let me rotate little 2 degree more. Once again, 2 degree here. Okay, so when I'm putting 2 degree, it rotating other side. So I will make mic 5 degree reverse. Okay, you can. Okay, so minus 5 degree reverse, and now you see that it look good, and I will make it go closer little much. Okay, now let me make it more little in. Okay, now what you do, click duplicate. Okay, and then keep pressing that button. Okay, now what you do, click mirror, then click this. Okay, now let me press more little. Okay, now you see that. Now what you do, click duplicate again, and we'll take front like this. Okay, let me rotate my so I'll go this side. Okay, and I'll rotate this one to 90. Okay, let me see, is it okay, so it rotated other direction 90, so let me use 180. So now let's see, is it rotated properly? Yeah, it's rotated properly. I'm going to use my arrow key in my keyboard. Okay, and I'm going to align that by using that one. Okay, so you see that it got aligned now. Okay, so you can see now your if you want, you can give one more like this. Okay, so for that, just simply make the base, click on the base and duplicate it, and press your right arrow key here. Okay, from your keyboard, then click mirror and click this. Okay, now you can see it will get attached here, so you'll be having like this kind of rocket. So thank you so much for watching and learning, and I would like you to subscribe, and please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.